Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to cut a cantaloupe. Okay, this is the North Pole and over here is the South Pole. So we got to cut off the poles. Okay, so cut off the North Pole and you cut off the South Pole, and now you can stand it up and it's nice and steady and it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, cut it into two hemispheres, and now we simply take a spoon and we take out the seeds. Okay, so just gently scrape out all the seeds into the bowl. And we do the same thing for the other half. Now remember, just gentle pressure because you want to take the seeds out, but you don't want to take the flesh out. Okay, so really easy. I'm just going to show you how to cut it into slices, and then I'll show you how to cut it into simple cubes. You get a nice sharp chef knife and you just start cutting it from the inside of the melon towards the outside of the melon. And just like this, cut it into nice slices or wedges. Okay, nice and easy. And of course, I'm going to take a nice bite because this thing is so juicy. It is so sweet and juicy. Wow, what a good melon. I want to congratulate the guy who grew these because they did a great job. Now we're going to cut them into pieces. So we're going to do the same thing as before. We're going to cut a whole bunch of wedges. And there's two different ways that I do this. I'll show you both. So the first one is you separate the rind from the flesh just like that. And once you have the flesh separate, you just chop it up into chunks and you just put it into your bowl. Just like that, nothing fancy, it's ready to go. And here's a second variation. First I score it, just like that, and then I cut it along the bottom. And this way the chunks have already been cut. So here we go from a different angle. This is the first method where I first separate the flesh from the rind. Okay, chop, 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 chop. There we go. And here's another angle that shows close up the second method where first I score the flesh. Okay, so I don't cut all the way to the bottom, but almost all the way there. And then when I run my knife along the bottom, guess what? Those chunks have already been cut out. Okay, and that's it, guys. This is how easy it is to cut a nice cantaloupe. If you haven't seen it, check out the other video I made on my channel that shows how to choose a fresh, ripe, juicy, sweet cantaloupe. You don't want to miss that video, so make sure you check that out. And as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.